Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can embed Figma prototype on Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in Google Slides, so I'm gonna go to Reddit where I found a guy who explained how you can embed a Figma prototype into a project or presentation. Hoping to get a quick answer on this, as I have a technical interview Tuesday. I will show static screens, but I thought it would be nice to nest the actual prototype into my presentation, also created in Figma, but can't seem to find the right answer on Google. So as you can see guys, this guy answered, you could copy the whole prototype into your presentation file and embed it via open as overlay. Get all your prototype correct and it should work. You can open other prototypes with on click and then open link. It won't technically be nesting because it opens in a new tab, but maybe works for you for your workflow. And since clicking the link opens a new browser tab, it will look better if you start your presentation on a browser. For static screen, copy a exported PNG on the design frame into your presentation file. For prototypes, you can use PNG as thumbnail for your prototype frame in the presentation file, which links to the actual prototype. As you can see guys right here, if you go on Google Slides, you can click on insert and then you will have all of the options that you can insert. You can insert an image, a text box, an audio, video, shape, and so on. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.